Okay, so today is an unboxing of hopefully some nice, beautiful, even Blue Dragon Guppies that are going to go live in here. Should be a couple of pairs. People in the fish industry, fish hobby in Australia will know about the little signature down the bottom there from the supplier. So let's get into it. It's been really hot here today, or 35 degrees Celsius, and these were delivered out the front of my house at about lunchtime, so they've been sitting here for a few hours. Okay, here we go. Bag number one. Oh, we got some swimming. Beautiful. One itty bitty pair. Two itty bitty pairs. Where are we? Nice, they're very happy. Very happy. Very active. Probably quite warm. Very active. Beautiful. Alright, so that's the first part. Then I'll come back and I'll show myself acclimatizing them in just a minute. So I've just got them sitting in here now. You can see how beautiful they already are. So they're really pretty, really active. And I'm just slowly drip acclimatizing them. They're really active, looking really nice. Nice young male there. Another little bit older one there. And a couple of really nice little females. So we're drip acclimatizing them. Just got the going every second or so, which will just turn down a little bit. It's not too fast. And then we'll give them a few hours and we'll let them go and we'll have another look, give them a little feed. Okay, so I've just released them and they are, it's taken about 3.5 hours or so to acclimatise them, and they are extremely happy. And they're extremely beautiful. These are some of the nicest I've ever seen for guppies. Just wish they'd come out from the plants. There we go. Their patterns and colours are just incredible. So once again, thank you very much, Glenn. I am so happy with them. So my plan is, I know that the breeder does worm them But what I'll do, I'll have them in here in quarantine for a couple of weeks. I'll worm them. Usually use mixes them as a treatment as well, just to make sure they're all good and won't spread it, because I'm on a system with other guppies. Make sure that they're all nice and healthy, which I know that they will be, as they always are when they come from the breeder. But yeah, these are our new little Blue Dragons. Thank you.